Alrighty, everybody, it's Michael Alder here with the landflippingformula.com, and in this video I just uploaded a couple new properties to one of our smaller sites, reallycheapland.com, as a promo. But I figured before we even get into the deals we have over there, let's see what the marketplace has to offer. So we are shopping for cheap deals in Socorro County, New Mexico. So we have an acre here. Cash price on Land Watch is $1,000. Another 1 acre parcel for $1,200. We have 1 acre, $1,500, 1,700, and a half acre for $2,000. So the going rate on these, I would say, roughly $1,200 to $1,500. We got a couple cheap ones here, but there is no, seller information posted easily or anything like that. So let's actually see what's all right. So we got Robin Kelly. Phone number might be a one-off seller, one-time seller. Not a ton of info here, though. We'll check this other one, see if it's the same person. Yep, same. So this might be a real estate agent that has a couple lots available. But starting at $1,000, they go up from there for the 1 acre parcels. Now let's go over to Land and Farm, see what they're going for over there. We got $1,500 for an acre, $1,700, $2,000. Looks like $2,000 across the board on those. $2,000, $2,500. Prices are going up on the bigger. Not a bad deal for these bigger lots here. But yeah, for these 1 acre parcels, anywhere from $1,000 to $2,000 is the overall range. The thing that's weird about Socorro County, you really can't find the GPS coordinates for them, so you have to do it old school with plat maps off of the county website. But what I did was I went to the Wikipedia page, pulled some information off of here, and created a link and put it on our site, Really Cheap Land, just so you would have it accessible to you. So we put this together as a promotional site just to offer some cheaper deals versus our other website, rawlandinvestments.com. So we got one in Arkansas available right now, 25 down, $1,250 a month for 96 months. Scroll down a little more. We have another one. Actually, that top one just sold. This one here is available, though. Same terms. We have a link to our land flipping formula program. $25 shows you how to invest in raw land and build a portfolio out of it. Now, here's our properties in Socorro County, New Mexico. We have a 1 acre parcel, the APN number, the legal description. Taxes are under $20 annually. We could get you into that for $25 down, $1,250 a month for 96 months. Super easy seller financing terms. And we have another one, same exact size, same terms. You could take advantage of that as well. And then what I decided to do, because like I said, it's if you're into off the grid type stuff, Socorro County is definitely that. It's super or not a lot of tech going on over there, so it's hard to find GPS coordinates and things. You would have to go off of plat maps. But here is a link to the Wikipedia page, so you can get some more information about Socorro County, New Mexico, and then see if these land deals would be a fit for you. I have some stuff coming up in Apache County on this, so be sure to keep an eye on the reallycheapland.com website. I will have a link below this video here, so feel free to drop by and check this out. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I'll see you on the next